English idioms. Do you know these music-related expressions? Let's find out. Music to my ears. Something that you hear is very pleasant, like good news. Hearing you apologize was music to my ears. Change your tune. To start to agree with something after previously disagreeing. After seeing the data, he started to change his tune about the project. Face the music. To accept the consequences of your actions, even if they are unpleasant. It's time to face the music and apologize. Play it by ear. To deal with the situation as it develops. We don't have a plan, we'll just have to play it by ear. To strike a chord. To evoke a strong emotional response. Her story about overcoming adversity struck a chord with the audience. Do you know any other music related expressions? Leave it in the comments.